Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our Windows 10 or Windows 11 keyboard is not working properly. And so for that we will be having a few simple steps to follow, so please do finish watching this video till the very end. The very first thing we need to do is to go and open our settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then click on the settings option. And then there you will find in the left pane the accessibility option, so please make a click on that. And after doing that, we will be now seeing the keyboard option, so please scroll down in the interaction section. You will get this keyboard option: sticky, filter, and toggle keys on screen keyboard. So once you click on that, you will see the filter keys. If you see that this is already turned on, all you need to do is just to click this one, turn it off, and then turn it on again. And then if you want to make some changes with the options below it, then just click on this drop down button here, or the right arrow key, and then you will now be seeing a lot of options under filter key. So please select the options that you want to turn on or you want to turn off in this section. And after doing this one, just please close this window and then make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. See if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will be going now to the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon, proceed with this device manager option. And the next thing we need to do is to go to the keyboards option or keyboards driver. So please go for your keyboards driver, and there you will find your standard keyboard. So all you need to do is just to update this keyboard here. Please make a right click, click on update driver. And then once you have done that, if you're connected with the internet connection, all you need to do is just to select this first option, search automatically for drivers. And then once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can now go back to the prior window and select the second one, browse my computer for drivers. Now proceed with let me pick, and then here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. All you need to do is just to select the latest one, and then after selecting the latest one, click on the next button here, and then it will start installing now in your device. So please just wait for the notification that says Windows has successfully updated your driver. After that, just make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. If it still doesn't fix the problem, then just uninstall this driver. Please make a right click, click on this uninstall device here, and then just select this scan for hardware changes icon, or you can also go click this action tab and then click on scan for hardware changes option. Close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed after the restart. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.